Hey guys, so today we are going to be making a yarn wall decor, and thank you to Rakaya Fareed for suggesting this video. The things you will need will be a wooden dowel, some yarn, and scissors. The first thing you need to do is cut the yarn into a pretty long piece. Then you just fold it in half and put the dowel on top of it. Then you take the end of the yarns and put it through the loop and pull it tight. And do this several times until the dowel is full. When you're done, the ends may be uneven, but you can just cut it right off. Finally, all you need to do is take some yarn and tie it to both ends so that you will be able to hang it on your wall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!